Hey all, Steve here. I'm going to do a quick review, not much on this. This is a PowerAdd sent me one of these cables to use a pin, one of the lightning cables for the newer iPhone or iPad devices. The big thing on this one is they claim it can take a lot of fluxing. So this is how it ships. Little box shows you what devices are compatible, and these are always cool to have. You can tie that up, and it's actually on the cable itself. You can take it off if you want. I like them. This is the lightning connector, and let's go plug it in the power, and we'll plug it into the phone. It is charging, and it works. There's not much to it. I mean, this thing is, again, these are, I have these old 40 pins from my old iPad days, and this particular one's alright, but these things, if you remember, would constantly break right here. This particular cable is supposed to be reinforced right there, where you can actually bend it quite a bit, and it's supposed to withstand it. So I like it. They're cheap, and again, you can never really have too many of these cables around for whenever you need it, for in the car, in the house, at your desk. So grab a couple. Again, PowerAdd. They're a lightning cable. This is particularly white. You can come in black, pink, orange, green. They have blue colors too, so you can get a bunch of different ones. Anyway, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Thank you.